Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. Alright, so we had French, we had Spanish here on this channel, we had Portuguese, Chinese, and now even German. Alright, so this is a collab here, Santos and Sido. This song is called Geschlossene Augen, and that translates into closed eyes. Okay, so this is especially for you, my German friends, and yeah, all fans of Santos and Sido. Let's go into the closed eyes here. So we're gonna look at this song, and we have a couple chords to go over. No need for any capo here. So we will have one chord progression going on, and that's it. So starting with the chords and the D minor. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord is C, and that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be a bar chord. That's the A sharp sus version, and you push down the strings here on the first fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here, but the 5 strings below necessary. And then you need to add third on D and third on G. And there you have the chords needed: D minor, C, A sharp, and the chord progression continues just A sharp, C, and D minor. So you go in front and then you back all the way to D minor again. So we're gonna look at this chord progression. We need to handle the chords. So therefore the string pattern is very important here. We're gonna take a look at the string pattern with the D minor and C, because this one is divided into two different parts, the strumming. So the first part is very similar to the second one. It's just a break in the middle that makes the transition there to the next chord. So for D minor, if you grab that one, you will play down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, then clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. Alright, that's the first part, and then you have a natural pause there because you switch chord, in this case to C. And that pause, imagine if you just continue to play two of these string rounds in the same way, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That pause eats up the first down, so to speak. So the part 2 here in the C will be just to start on up, up. So just take away the first down and everything else is the same. So up, clap, up, down, up for part 2. And there you have one full string around together with part 1, D minor, and part 2, C. So D minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up. C, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. Alright, and then we continue with the chord progression here. We're gonna have the A sharp. You're gonna play one full round here. That means both part 1 and part 2. So that will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, and then up, clap, up, down, up, like this. And that's the first half of this chord progression. The second half, it continues with the A sharp. Now you're gonna play part 1. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you switch to C and play part 2. Up, clap, up, down, up. And you end with the D minor, one full round. So. There you have one chord progression round of this song, right? I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of this in somewhat of a standard tempo. It goes like this. So that is the main playing of this song, but then you can also play like they start the song here with just plain downs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that. So what you're gonna play here is, imagine one part, part 1 or part 2 is 2 downs. Okay, so that means D minor 2 downs, C 2 downs, and A sharp 4 downs. That's the first half, and then you stay with A sharp and play 2 downs, then C 2 downs, and the D minor 4 downs. So D, D, C, C, A sharp, and A sharp, C, D. That is one round. That is actually how the song starts. So you can play it like that as well. You can start like that if you want to, just to get the feeling for when to switch chords. And then when this is boring or so, you can put another gear in and try to learn the strumming. Anyway, that's how I handle Geschlossene Augen, closed eyes, from Santos and Sido. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me here at Gordon Guitar. Subscribe to this channel and be a member of the great happy family here. So thank you so much, and play tuned.